Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, basics in algebra, trigonometry, and calculus that most compartments test. Identify gaps quickly, then choose the exact chapters to cover first. Once done, create a prioritized list and a simple formula sheet you will carry every session. Make sure to allocate focused 90-minute blocks for active practice, not passive reading. Active solving builds recall and speeds error detection. You will also set a 2-week target to cover essentials with daily review. You now move into concentrated practice. Work through high-weight problem types until you can outline the method in 2 sentences. Once comfortable, simulate exam conditions with timed past papers to train speed and pressure handling. Make sure to keep an error log that records the mistake, the cause, and the corrected solution. This forces pattern recognition. Alternate problem sets with short formula recall sessions and quick concept checks to reinforce neural pathways and reduce careless mistakes. You wrap up by consolidating. In the last 48 hours, review your formula sheet and redo the 5 hardest problems until the steps are automatic. Once done, take 1 short-timed paper to check pacing and then review every answer carefully to catch conceptual slips. Make sure to sleep well and do light review the night before. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific error repeats, stop broad studying and drill that exact concept with focused mini-lessons until the mistake disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.